Donnie Lewis. Rat rods, 2 lanes, and neon. Early in the morning, we got a long way to go. We're going to go out and find stuff. We're going to go look at a few different things today, but we're going to put them in some different videos so the videos don't get too long. Getting ready to head out. Got my old sun protection on. I'm tired of getting my head burnt, my ears burnt. So we're going to go find some stuff. It's going to be a big day. Got a long way to go. Gonna head out. Ain't that right? It ain't raining, we ain't home. Oh yeah. You got the button? Yeah, I just ran over a tree, why not? And as you can tell by the signage, we have made it. I hope this does not get torn down. They are talking about widening this road, making it more accessible for militaria and military vehicles, which this bridge is not acceptable to that. It's too narrow, too low. Maybe they'll just build one beside it and keep it, but I hope they don't lose it. Tear it down, it'd be lost. It's called Furnace Bridge in Camp Atterbury. River is flowing good. This is where we come kayaking. You watch all of our videos, and I hope you do. This is the river we kayak in. What a really neat old bridge. I'm just gonna stop, like, I don't know, somewhere in the middle here and take some more video. Neat old bridge. Said I hope they don't tear it down. If they do widen the road, I don't know why they would tear it down. They could build a new bridge beside it here. There's plenty of room. They own everything. And they could leave this here for a walking bridge or something. And I wouldn't even use the abutments if they're going to make it to haul tanks and stuff across. So the military base is here and you got to get your stuff in and out, I know. But let's keep some history. I always like the abutments they have. It was art. It's not just a piece of concrete now, you know. It's just so much quicker and easier and cheaper. This stuff was art. Look good, function good, work good. Evidently it's lasted good. I don't know how old it is, but man is it old. I put a new base in it. You can see the floor. Put some extra guardrails up because I'm sure they didn't want nobody busting through the side. Oh, good. It's a good looking piece of architecture. In the spring, the water's all the way up to where I'm standing right here. The river's up that much higher. And that's when you can't go kayaking. Frankenstein looks right at home. Right at home. Right at home. Yeah, they're getting ready to widen the road. I heard they've been clearing brush and doing things that, let's save this bridge. It's beautiful. He does look good sitting here on it, all the old stuff together. The plaque is gone. Right there's where it was. Those two little tiny things are sticking up. They always have the plaque with the date. Someone has probably stole it already. Oh well. Frankenstein's out here today doing good. Fuel economy's good. Temperature's good. Mr. Bones, my mascot's hanging there. I got Mini Bones sitting here outside, keeping an eye on everything going on the monster. So, we're gonna go find more stuff. Man, I'm glad they kept this so far. All right, we've seen it. You've seen it. We are out of here. Said I hope they keep it. So next time, Donnie Lewis, my beautiful wife Tammy, out here finding stuff in Frankenstein today. Camp Atterbury. Remember, folks, drive them.